Today we're announcing a €10 million investment and the creation of 200 new jobs over the next 2 years in Ennis and Limerick across a range of disciplines. We ran out of space in Ennis, so we acquired a new site in the Clare Technology Park. We've also got a new site in Cecil Street in Limerick in the Innovate Engine Building, where we will hire well over 100 people. We had 32 live trials in 2020. Today we're managing 65 live trials and we're on target to get to 100 live trials by 2025. Our healthcare business is growing as we've redesigned our product range. We have a brand new set of products and we're opening up in new markets in the Middle East, South America, Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. Lastly, and most excitedly, we're bringing the manufacturing of our consumables back from China back to Ennis. We started this just pre-pandemic in 2019. We invested about $4 million in new equipment and automation to do this. This allows us to reduce the cost of the products, reduce the lead times and massively reduce our carbon footprint.
Yes, so look, from a government point of view and from a Limerick point of view, this is a really exciting day. It's a great day for the region, a massive investment by a company that have already got a long established local base in Ennis. Making an investment of this order is a huge news day for the region, and I want to congratulate them and wish them well on behalf of the government, but more importantly on behalf of the community here in Limerick. They're making an investment into the city centre, and this is a real example of what the government would term and what we'd all like to see happening as real positive urban rejuvenation, because it's a city centre investment in collaboration with Limerick City and County Council through Innovate Limerick. They're coming right into the heart of the city with young, newly qualified graduates in the medtech sector through medical devices, bringing recently qualified people right into the heart of Limerick City in collaboration with the council. So it's a great day for Limerick, it's a great day for Vitalograph, it's a great day for the community as a whole, and I want to wish them well on behalf of the government.